art friends, and welcome. It's Miss Barone here, and today I have a short tutorial for you that shows you how to complete your line landscape project. So this is our line landscape project, and for this project you need 5 different kinds of lines. So if I look at this one, I have wavy lines, angled lines, a curved line, I have straight lines that happen to be horizontal. So I've got 4 different kinds of lines. I could use one more. But before we get too far into this, we need to figure out how do we even open a blank or untitled design in Canva. So to do that, I will start from this home page, and there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either do custom size right here, and then type in 6 inches by 5 inches. This can change to millimeters or centimeters or pixels. For this project, we're only using inches. You could also do it from this purple Create a Design button, doing the same thing, making sure it's in inches. So I'm coming here, I'll just do Create a Design, create a new design. It's 6 inches by 5 inches. And now you need to think to yourself, okay, what kind of landscape do I want? Do I want mountains? Do I want hills? Do I want a body of water? Do I want trees? What do I want? Well, I really like having a body of water and mountains, a sky, and like a little sun right here, right? So let me show you the basics of how I did that. This is just a tutorial that shows you the basics. You will need to come up with your own design and make it your own, okay? So let's look at the different panels that we have in Canva. These are called panels. So I have templates, elements, uploads, text, logos, and then more. For today, we're only working in the elements panel. And because I know I want water, I'm going to start typing in wavy lines and see what comes up. I'm not going to pick any of these sort of picture-looking things. I'm also not going to pick any animations. That will be for a different project on a different day. Today, I'm just sticking with lines. So you just need to click the line that you want, and oh man, it doesn't go all the way across. Well, I could make it go all the way across by changing the size. I could also, if I like it small like that, I could just hit Control-C and Control-V. And line them up as best as I can, and I'll do it one more time. Control-C, Control-V. And now it goes all the way across like that. Again, I'm going to try to line it up as best as I can. That'll do for now. Now, instead of doing these individually to fill in this whole space right here, what I'm going to do instead is select all of these individual lines that I just used to make one big line. So to do that, I can either click, hold, and drag until I see blue boxes around all of my lines. Or I can select one, and then I can select the others by holding down the Shift key and clicking. And then I can hit Control-C, Control-V. Control-C, Control-V. And just keep doing that until I fill in this whole thing. Now I'm not going to show you how I fill in the whole thing, just that we can move on. So now I want some mountains. And I'm coming back to elements, and I'm going to search different lines. So if I type in lines, oh look, let's see what it shows me if I just click lines. Alright, so these are all really cool lines. They've got arrows, they have circles and squares. We're not going to use that for today. Today, we just want to use this basic line. And it's really cool because you can change the angle by clicking and holding and dragging it around. You can change how short it is, how long it is. So I kind of want like a big mountain like that. I'll click another one to connect these two. And I'm going to try my best to line it up with this other one, so that way there isn't any space showing. So see how those lines come together really nicely, and this I'm going to make it just a little bit longer. Okay, I'll do another mountain over here, and it kind of goes off my page, but I can see it right there. So I'll do a little one. And align these up. And that's kind of a funny looking mountain, so I'll change the angle of it just like that. Again, it doesn't line up perfectly, so I'm going to do my best to line it up perfectly. That'll do for now, just for the sake of keeping this video short. Now I want to find a curved line for my little sun, right? So I'm going to come back to my Elements panel. I'm going to search up curved line. I'm avoiding these pictures and animations. Instead, I want, let's see, something like this. It's nice and simple. But oh wait, it's blue, and this color is this project is a black and white project only. So I don't really want blue, and I feel like this is a good size for my sun. So to change the color, I'm going to make sure that this is selected. I know it's selected when it has the blue box around it. So I'll come up here to where I see color. If I hover over it, it shows color. Click that, change it to black. And then I need something in the sky. My sky is really blank. I'm trying my best because I want a 3 or a 4 on this project. I'm going to try my best to fill my space on my design as much as I can. I'm going to go back to my lines. Sometimes you can find it in your recently used. Mine is right here. And I know it looks just like my mountain lines, but I'm going to make it longer, and I can come up here and change the thickness of it. So now I have a really thin line, and I kind of like it, so I'm going to keep doing that, and I'll do it one more time. This is just a creative way to fill your sky. I'm going to make this one just a little bit thicker, maybe like a 2. There we go. And I'll do that a couple more times, just like that. I'll make it longer so it goes all the way to the edge. And, Control Z to undo. So again, this is just a really basic way to fill in your sky. And there we go. So I'll just bring this over here and make it line up with the other one across the page from it. So there we go. We have a very basic line landscape that I made using Canva. To turn it in, do not hit send to teacher. You need to take a screenshot or download it and then attach it to the assignment, okay? So friends, go ahead and get started.